Here is this Multitool pen set. This is great gift for men or those who do construction and need a cool pen that has multi-functions. So let me show you what you get. You get 4 refills for the pen. All right. This is the pen. So you got a stylus. All right. A nice clip. Here's your ruler, metric. Okay, this is a hexagon. So you leave it on, it will roll. All right. You got a leveler right here, bubble level. Make sure things are level. This is level. That's good. All right. So this is, you just obviously rotate for pen. All right. You remove this. You have, almost fell down. Got a Phillips, and but these are small though. And it's flat, a flat head. It was pretty tricky taking this out, so I don't like that. It's I left it like a bit loose, but when you get it, you need like pliers to like take this out. So things a little too tight. But other than that, I like it. It writes well too. And this is great for anyone who does, engineering, construction, anything that you need to have, a ruler to measure stuff, to level things out, and the stylus and the Phillips and flathead and a pen all in one. Definitely get this. Definitely get it. Click the link below to get this item. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more real deal reviews.